Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Make sure the app version matches your OS and update if it's older than 1. 5. This prevents feature gaps. Sign in using an admin account so you have full privileges and enable two-step or SSO to protect settings. Once signed in, open Control Panel and go straight to Dashboard. Select New Configuration. This kicks off the setup process, and you're now ready to define profiles and core preferences without delay. Now continue by configuring the central settings and execution rules. First, set global preferences like language, time zone, and default units so outputs are consistent across users. Then create profiles and group rules, assigning permissions per role to limit access. This reduces risk and streamlines workflows. Next, configure integrations such as APIs, webhooks, and scheduled syncs, map fields, and run a test call. Once done, verify logs and real-time indicators to ensure rules trigger correctly before moving to finalization. Finish by validating and deploying the configuration and learn one key troubleshooting approach. Run full validation and user acceptance tests. Inspect audit logs for unexpected changes. Deploy to the live environment during a low-traffic window to reduce user impact and notify stakeholders of rollout times. If something goes wrong, clear the app cache, reapply the altered rule, and check error logs for specific exceptions. This often reveals mismapped fields or permission gaps. Make sure to revert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.